coaching your own. So now you have a team and they're starting to come together. And you're going to have a team of 12 or 15 or 10 kids. And your natural inclination is going to be to look at them and see your kid this way. This is fine. This makes you a good parent. It's what you're told subconsciously and consciously to make them stand out. Does not make you a good coach though. So to become a good coach, you need to look at your whole team evenly. And here's how to go about getting that. So first, when you're at team events, you're a coach. Now you'll probably take on a little different persona because now you're in charge of a bigger number of kids than you are at home. So you're going to probably act slightly differently. To make that even clearer, maybe you want to do something that makes it obvious that now you're a coach. You've got a whistle around your neck, you've got a hat on, and you have that at team events, and when you leave, it's off. And then you're a parent the rest of the time. And another piece of advice here. While as adults, we can discuss sporting events all day long, and we have phone-in shows afterwards, your kid does not want to leave the game and get in the car and be the subject of a sports radio talk show. When you leave the event, you stop talking about the game or the practice with your kid. Now, you may think, but there are more things I want to tell them. And that can be true. But don't do it in the emotion of the team event. If there are, bring it up a day or two later. But generally, they're not looking for a great deal of feedback on their individual performance from you. The best piece of advice I've had around this is when you leave the field, whether you're coaching your kid or not, the one thing you say to them is, I love watching you play. And that's it. So, this is one of the hardest things to do as a coach. It's also the most important, is to make sure you're equal to everyone on your team, and that includes your own kid.